Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your Google app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, by updating your Google app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to clear any errors or fix any issues that you might be encountering with your Google app. To do this, you need to go to your Android smartphone and look for this app called Play Store. So if you tap on Play Store, you can see we have these search bars. I'll just tap on this search bar to activate search on top here, then search for your Google app. So I'll just search for Google like that and run the search, and as you can see we have our Google installed. I'll tap on it and we have an update. So to get the latest version, tap on update, and this will download the latest version of Google app and finally install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been updated, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Google app. So that's how you can update your Google app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.